Hello guys, how are you doing? I'm Everton Braga from Cura Web channel and welcome to another React class. In this class, we're gonna build a global style. So let's do this. First of all, I have here my project, okay, running, and I will access the site Google Fonts. Once we are here, let's take the font Roboto, okay, by clicking, and let's import two uh, two styles, two fonts, two kinds of Robotos here. Regular, um, 400, and bold 700. Okay, let's click on embed, copy this this code here, returning to the project, public index, and then before the title, let's paste it here, saving. Okay, uh, that's it. So let's create a folder called styles. Inside that, let's create a file called index.js, and then let's write some code. Import styled, create global style from styled components. Okay. Create global style allows us to use um, the global style, the style we'd like to use in several parts of our application. Okay, so to do this, we can use global style. It's a feature from style components, and then let's start creating our styles. Export const global style, create global style, and I will copy my style code here. This code is available on my GitHub, and the repository is in description. You can get it. Okay, and let's do one more thing here. It's a universal selector, and inside that, let's normalize our CSS. Before that, let me do another thing. I will create another style structure here. Export container styled div. Okay, and here I have another CSS code. Let me copy and paste here. With okay, saving, closing here. Oops, app. Okay. First of all, let's import our styles inside app.js by typing import two things, global style and container. So global style container from style. Oops, from styles. Styles is this folder, okay, index.js, VS Code will recognize it automatically, so we don't need to write index.js. Okay, and then saving, verifying here, nothing happened. Okay, and then let's put our global style here, closing and saving again. Here we have some difference. We have the button styled, we have a different alignment and a different font too, main here. Okay, the style of font here is we're using Roboto now, and the global style is a style we'd like to use in several parts of our application, so global style is nice in that way. And then let me check something here. Okay, let's remove it. We're fine. Okay, now let's wrap all this code inside the container and putting this code inside here and saving. Now we have this style. Okay, we have a purple background with gradient. Here we have the configuration, but it's a little weird because we have we have borders. Okay, that's not very nice. So to fix this, let's put here the universal selector and write some code. This code will be margin 0, padding 0, and box sizing border box. Box sizing border box, it's a treatment we use to normalize our paddings. Okay, and by saving it, verifying again, now it works fine. Okay, so guys, I hope you like this video. If you like, please like the video and share with your friends and subscribe too, and see you in the next lesson. Goodbye.